pesos yan.
Tatlo na yan. Tatlo na po. Lahat na ba? Meron na po.
Labas ulit ako sa tayo.
Like purple.
Sabi ito po yung Urban Farmers BTC. Na ang may-ari po yung speaker natin kahapon, si Sir Ron.
May picture pa. Biro mo nasa city siya, tapos may ganyan. Di ba ang ganda? Ito na ba yung urban? Yung ganda, kasi di ba nasa city siya, tapos may ganyan, may garden. Di ba?
Talaga makapag-inspire. No? Nung mga ganitong ano, hindi ito po ay wala pang 1 taon. Nagsimula yan, bigyan ko muna kayo ng ano bago tayo pumasok sa ano, no? History muna, history. Pero eventually, nasanay, naging masaya. Yun yung pinaka-importante daw. 2020, di ba? Nung araw na yun, hindi namin inisip na ano, alam namin babalik pa kami. Pero after nun, tuloy-tuloy na. So, ang tagal naming nawalan ng trabaho. Ngayon, isa ako sa napagkatiwalaan ni Sir. Papasalamat ako. Later naman yung lupa. Doon na tayo yung pwede natin magamit. Yung mga baso na itatapon natin.
Agriculture po.
Opo, sabihin.
Inan sa Kalikanluran. Makabayan ako. Alam niyo yun dati, may gamot. Huwag kayong mahiya. Brain enhancement, ma'am.
Harap siya ng organization.
Hindi, yung mga pipili lang. Sabi ni Sir Glenn, ha? Yung mga pipili, may bonus pa.
Pinintura na.
Credit card, sige. Private social enterprise. Meaning, tumutulong tayo sa mga mahihirap. Non-profit business po ito. Pag kinain mo ito, di ba sino nakakakilala kay Papay?
Sila ano? May ang tawag doon? Page. Ito mga baboy.
Hindi walang araw, pero yung liwanag lang na ano, walang araw. So ito yung kit namin. Meron tayong radish, meron tayong amaranth, meron tayong broccoli seeds. Oo, may kasama.
Ayan na siya. Ayan na yung nagsasalita. Hello.
Good morning. Hi, good morning. We can do the stuff here and then we can do a quick tour around the store. Because you're here, first of all. Second of all, today is our 5-year anniversary of our incorporation. Thank you. So 5 years, diba? Very humble. We were a very small company before, and we had many struggles. In fact, true story, parang yung sa startups, I didn't have at the end of this year. Uy, our special guest, she's our inspector. This is Neo, so she's a street cat. We actually adopted her. It's full of these aluminum. What's nice is because these systems are built by us. these are our interns. We're importing interns from Europe, not the other way around. We're doing it like that. Kasi, again, that is not a net importer of food anymore, not vulnerable anymore to all of the outside countries, diba? So that's really what we want to achieve. We want to create technology than what it is that we do here, and we give hydroponic kits, high-end, and cocktails, of course, my cocktails, because we have the freshest ingredients for mojito, for drinks, so we make our own produce at the very high quality without aircon. Here you can see this is our main setup, right? This is our NFT units. So here we have one row complete, then the second and third rows are to follow. So hopefully by the end of it will all be encapsulated, it will be closed off so that and it's precision farming, right? So it's that's why it's very clean. Very clean. Lupa. We're not. Pero still.
Mint nga.
I'll put it in my vlog, yeah.
Research. Proponents po yung CRPSD and the AED of BPI. Dito po sa system na to, it eliminates pest and diseases kasi po